Hello and welcome back. Just before we get started, a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share with someone you think would enjoy our channel. Looks like today we're doing number 314. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 3, 6. 3 and 6 here. So that means this is our 9. That makes this our 6. 3, and that 6 makes this our 9. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 5, 6. For this row, we're only missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 and 8 here, so this is our 5. 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 8, 8 here, 6, 7, 7 here, 6, 8. That means that our 7 has to be here. For this column now, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 4. No help here, so 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 6 here. So this is our 5. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. That 6 makes this our 8, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row now, we're only missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. To finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1 and 4. And that'll do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.